some good news for the altcoins. The chart of others. It's a crypto total market cap, excluding top 10 tokens and the stable coins. And like you can see, guys, we retest the buy line again on the weekly time frame, because today I got a notification and this alert once again triggered because that alert I added in June 2025. Imagine around here we added alert and we waited when we're gonna test the buy line. It would be good, of course, if we tested earlier in 2025 in rebound, right? But we dump it first, sweep and test on Donald Trump dump. After that, one drop, second one, we retested many times and we hold this line. So this is a most important moment, guys. Of course, I showed you the potential direction because I thought we already retested the buy line, and usually we walk from the buy line to the take profit line. It's just a matter of time when, guys. It's just a matter of time when. I'm not sure this time we will go over the exit line, but in general, my target is still the same. So it's around 598 billion market capitalization for the altcoins, for the all altcoins excluding the top 10. And now I think it's just like a range. If we zoom out and take a look on the monthly, it looks like impulse, and this is a sideways. Some people draw now like cap and handle, but take a look. The people draw the same cap and handle previously. So this one, cap, handle, we should go higher, but it won't play out, right? So we're going down. Now the people can draw the wider cap and handle, something like this one now. And the size of that cup should be over than here. But I'm also not sure about it. But at the same time, I'm not sure we will drop to the buy line on the monthly. If we will, of course, you can imagine the smell of all altcoins. Nobody gonna care about the altcoins anymore. Because to lose 69 billions again, it will be just nightmare. So we sweep the sell side liquidity, form the equal lows. And yes, we got a chance to drop and test the zero level and drop it again inside the accumulation block. So this was the accumulation block in 2022, which we retested. But I'm not sure. Based on the worst, what's going on now in the world, between the countries now, the biggest countries. Yes, we have a chance to drop to test the buy line. Buy line on the monthly, it's 106 billion. So it's going to be the level of 2023, 2022. Imagine all the previous 3 years just vanished from the market. That liquidity just disappeared. And honestly, I wish to see at least the test of 2025 year open and test of the order block. So this is what I wish to see. And at the same time, this is an order block, and the take profit line is 331 billion. So a moment, guys. If and when you track this chart, be ready to fix some profit here for the alts. Because it will be 100% not a mistake, guys, to fix that profit. Of course, we can go again over the exit line, like it was in 2024. But when we're looking on the news, I don't think so. We will see something positive in the next, maybe 2 or 3 years. If BTC rebound to 196, first one trouble area for BTC, it's 85, 96, and 103. One day we're going to reach that targets again, and alts can hit this level. This is going to be the time to fix the profit. What I don't like now on this chart, we didn't see the take profit signal from the sell. So how it usually ends here, sell, take profit, buy. Now we still didn't see it. Let's add alert to the buy. Trade on the buy. We saw a lot of examples now recently with the altcoins. When some, for example, the Polkadot dump it, and finally after the 1.5 year, we saw the signal take profit. So we need to close all short position and need to start accumulate the token. And it's rebound. That's why the same way I'm waiting for the others chart. We can't trade, of course, the others, but we can track it daily. Guys, daily, we can drop to the test of the buy line on the daily. If we will, it will be also the nightmare for all of us. It's 129 billion, and maybe with the weak candle with some sweep, we can drop to the buy line on the monthly. Of course, I hope, guys, it will not happen, but based on what's going on in the world, it's also more than real to see. I wish to see the seasonality like usually we play in spring, and maybe this time sell in May and go away will not play out also. So 24%, 23, it's a test of the buy line, and of course some alts will pump earlier, some pumps will later, and recently just Dago pumped it from the nowhere 155%. That's why it's hard to imagine which altcoin will start perform, which not. That's why just build a plan for each altcoin and add just alerts. What's going on now with the ADZ direction? I would like to check on the weekly time frame. Some accumulation. Last time we saw that accumulation in September 22, but till January 23. So we're going down, and at the same time we're going in accumulation zone. So if the history repeat, yes, we can drop even to this block and rebound and see the almost the year of accumulation based on direction indicator. So now it's definitely not a time to sell. ADZ in accumulation. So last time the same size. So here November 15, May 22, and March 26. Just 3 times in history we see the same level. So now we're in the accumulation zone, definitely. Market simulator, of course, it's a capitulation disbelief. So every single time when we trade in a white zone, it's time to buy some alts, but it's hard to say which one survive. Here it's a positive. So it would be good to see the disbelief. I added alerts, so I waited. Still waited the alert. This one, disbelief. The blue color on histogram on the market mode, highly recommend you add the same alerts and wait. This will be the time to not go all in. This cycle teaches never go all in, but it will be the best time to buy. But same time, take a look, October 22 till June, August 23. Half year, we've been in accumulation zone. That's why if now we out from the hopium zone, from hope to zone of accumulation, maybe I will buy some altcoins for the spot. And the last one, it's money power, guys. Money power, the good moment. Here, we never seen the money inflow ever since this indicator starts show some data since June 15. We never seen the money inflow. All that time period was only the money outflow. Money outflow, money outflow, money outflow, money outflow. So this is how the whales fix the profit. And RSI bearish divergences, 1, 2, 3. Now we get the money inflow. First time in history, imagine. That's why, guys, I'm more bullish than bearish for the alts. But now it's like capitulation by time. Guys, what is your thoughts about others? What is your thought about the altcoins? If you like to trade, as my customer said, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.